Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Havoc. In this one, we're going to unbox and take a look at these, the Runner 60 earbuds by Back Bay. Now before we get into the video, I want to let you know something really quick. I've launched my VIP club. Head over to havocclub.com and get signed up today. We have a lot of really fun incentives over there. I think you're going to enjoy. Currently, the Runner 60 wireless running earbuds from Back Bay are going for 60 bucks over on Amazon. I think when I purchased these, they were around 40 bucks, so your mileage may vary depending on when you pick it up. And I think if you're an Amazon Prime member, they apply a small discount when you check out. So make sure you head over to Amazon and take a look. I'll put a link to pick these up on Amazon in the description below. Alright, now that we have everything unboxed, let's take a look at what we have in the package. We have a standard USB-C cable. We have 2 bags of ear tips. These come in various sizes, also the length and the width. So make sure you try these out to find the ones that fit correctly for your ear. Here we have the case. It's got a nice matte black finish. You got the logo on the top, USB-C on the back. You got the charging lights on the front. Bottom just has a standard FCC regulation info. Kind of speckled flake in the matte finish, and Back Bay logo on the top. To crack it open, we can see the earbuds here, how they fit in there. You can see though, the lid for the case closes really easily on its own. You don't really have to do anything, you kind of lean it and it closes. So something to think about. The lid doesn't stay open very well. You have the Back Bay logos on each side of the earbuds. That's actually where you push to touch for the capabilities of the volume and everything else. One really strange thing about these is they have a left and a right, but the right is on the left side and the left is on the right side of the case. So it's something to take a look at there. They're a little difficult to get out of the case because the earbuds themselves are pretty deep in there, but it's no problem. Inside you can see it's kind of shiny plastic at the bottom. You have your charging pins. The earbuds themselves, we have the Back Bay logo on the side. That's where you touch to do everything. The ear hooks are nice and pliable. They'll fit and stretch to any size ear. I have a pretty big head and these fit me no problem. Double mics. Tap tap to do different functionality of the earbuds themselves. You see the double mics there. The same thing on the other. Nice, flexible, pliable. Make sure you take the film off when you go to charge these. Let's talk about how the earbuds actually fit into the case. So you can pull them out, and then when you go to put them back in, they don't have that magnet that pulls them back in. You have to physically push them in, put a little bit of force on it, and you need to make sure you actually push them all the way in so they will charge. Let's talk about syncing the earbuds to your phone. First, take them out of the case, sync them up. You'll see it says Runner 60R on your phone. You go ahead and pair that up. Now for the touch controls on the side of the earbuds. You can see here on the back of the box, it tells you what you can do. Press once to play, press twice for volume. So the right side, press it twice for volume up. The left side, press it twice for volume down. You press each side once, it'll stop and start whatever you're playing on the device. The triple press on the left earbud will open the voice assistant, and the triple press on the right earbud will enable and disable the bass mode. More times than not, when I tried to increase or decrease the volume, it would actually only register a single tap and it would stop or start the music. Let's talk real quick about the microphone quality. Each earbud has 2 mics on it. I connected this to my phone and recorded this. Let's take a listen. Hey, this is Havoc. I'm testing out the microphone on the Back Bay Runner 60 athletic earbuds. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now let's talk about the specs. These have a full IPX7 rating, so when you're on those runs and hikes in the snow and the rain, you're fine. These are not meant for swimming, so don't dunk them in water. The battery life on these is actually pretty great. You'll get about 8 hours of straight playtime with the charge on the earbuds themselves, and the case can charge them about another 9 to 10 times. On average, I'd say you're probably gonna get 70-ish hours total without having to recharge the case, but your mileage may vary. This is a Qi wireless charging case, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about lugging a cable everywhere with you to get these recharged. These earbuds feature an 8mm driver and are utilizing Bluetooth version 5.0. The sound quality of them is actually really decent for a pair of earbuds in this price range. The caveat though is you need to make sure you find the right ear tips. Unfortunately, I was unable to find the right size for my ears, but these still sounded really good. The key thing with the sound here is to enable that bass boost mode. Without the bass boost mode enabled, the sound is kind of like tinny. The highs and the mids are really overpowering if you don't have that bass boost mode enabled. And there you have it, the Runner 60 wireless running earbuds from Back Bay. Overall, a pretty solid product. And again, if you're looking to pick these up, I'll put a link in the description below of where you can get them on Amazon. And finally, before we take off, if you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you liked, subscribed, and hit that bell so you know when the next video drops, and we'll see you next time.